Dependable partner for your growth, advocates in overcoming challenges, companion in realizing your dreams. That is how we define our commitment to our customers for the past almost 3 decades of Asialink Finance Corporation. But how does a simple dream of helping MSMEs become a reality 27 years ago?
A good friend of mine introduced me to Bobby Jordan. Asialink is really the brainchild of Mr. Jordan. So when they approached me and presented the idea, I said, this is really the one I'm looking for, waiting for. Because of the name Asialink, what entered my mind right away, this will become big. Not only in our country, but Asia-wise.
When I was a loan officer in UCPB, I was still young then, no? And I was in a hurry to grow in the organization. That's why I thought of putting up a business of my own so that I can do the things that I wanted to do. So that's why I have this idea of a finance company which is close to what I'm doing in the bank. No? And that's where the idea of Asialink came about. And I had to transform the idea into a reality.
During those early years, the journey towards Asialink's success was not easy. Various struggles were faced, including funding.
There were tremendous challenges in starting a business. First of all, we don't have the capital. Next is the product we had. It was really difficult. It took me 1 year to really understand the product, the appliance group plan. And we made a lot of mistakes. It was difficult hiring the people because nobody wanted to join a startup.
You know, Asialink has a very small capital. I think we started Asialink with only 3 million. Where can you go with 3 million, di ba? So the challenge, of course, which just became my role, is how to provide the funds of the Asialink, the demand from the clients. So that's where my father entered into the picture. Siya lang yung nag-provide ng funding because no banks will dare fund Asialink. So it took so many years before a bank finally gave us a credit line.
But after 5 years, indication of success went their way.
When we were starting, you have to look at the profit and loss statement to know whether you are doing okay. And it was only after 4 or 5 years that we became profitable. And that's where I took my cue that we have something, we have a business that is successful. And what needs to be done is to really expand the business.
As the year goes by, seasoned leader came to join Sir Bob and Sir Robbie to give direction to the operations of the company.
Maraming vision for the company, but yung pinakamalaki talaga is really to make Asialink a household brand. For those who need financing for their businesses, for their dreams, or for their personal needs, we want really Asialink to be top of mind, to help businesses, and to refuel the economy of the Philippines.
With their goal of nation building in sight, Ruben Y. Lugtu II and Robert B. Jordan established 2 more companies that will provide financial needs to more Filipinos: Global Dominion and South Asialink Finance Corporation.
Anong lumalakas na talaga yung demand of requirement for funding from Asialink, no bank will touch us. Walang magpapautang, no? Ako naman, as a go-between my family and the company, I have to check also kung yung debt equity nung Asialink sobra na sa pautang ng father ko, no? So, Bobby and I had a meeting and said, sa lakas ng demand ng Asialink, it's about time to have 2 more companies.
When we had Asialink and we already have a business model, we were in a hurry to grow the business. But we had no money. Our resources, our capital was limited. So we said, let's put up another business and let's get another investor to partner with us. And that's exactly what happened with Global Dominion and South Asialink.
we have decided, at least on that we want to make financing simplified. I think that's one of the main reasons why financial inclusion is such a challenge in this country, is because maraming Pilipino hindi alam, no, na pwede palang maka-access ng credit or nai-intimidate, no, kaya they don't even bother. So our goal is really to make it as simplified as possible.
SAFC's vision is to make Filipinos' life better. It is our goal to be the Filipinos' best financial support, whether it's Sangla or CR, Sangla Titulo, car or truck financing, and more. When we talk about providing financial solutions at SAFC, we're not just talking about loans and basic financial products. We're committed to provide a comprehensive range of services that would cater to the diverse needs of our customers, both individuals and businesses alike.
Asialink Finance Corporation, Global Dominion Financing Incorporated, and South Asialink Finance are now one of the leading and fastest-growing finance company in the country. But the journey of these three companies was not easy due to the struggles they encountered.
During the pandemic, majority of employees walang trabaho. Masakit yon. But our promise is that we just have to keep our company afloat during this time, during this hard time, and we will rehire all of them or most of them when the economy will open.
I think the most unforgettable is really the pandemic, working through those lockdowns. I think during this time, it's where we really got to test how resilient we were, how strong we were as a team. Thankfully, the way we were structured is that we're so efficient that we're still able to meet those obligations in spite of the challenges at the time.
Pursuing our vision, the challenge we face the most is the annual funding, especially in consistently securing it to fund our lending operations. Secondly is the limited area where we operate also. And in addition to that, regulatory changes that somehow clips us in our expansion programs.
Asialink, Global Dominion, and South Asialink Finance is now moving into greater heights with the coming of Creador.
Definitely, the investment of Creador, which is quite substantial, will help propel the growth of Asialink, Global and South Asialink. And I hope that our creditors and the local banks and international banks will be able to help us in terms of giving us more credit facilities so we can turn around and extend loans to SMEs.
What makes me so much proud is knowing that we're growing so fast, or we're all getting a lot of new employees, and that would mean new clients. And to me, as long as I can hire more people and help them, because these people may family yan, So we're helping to sa growth ng our country.
We're gonna have more muscle, we're gonna have more money to expand because we needed that funding. So expect more funding from us. Expect faster and robust services from our team with the help of Creador.
Definitely more aggressive growth. That would mean more employment, more people, more jobs, for one. We'll be reaching out to more clients, doing our share in helping lower the incidence of poverty, reaching more SMEs.
With Creador, we are now able to reach new heights of international funding and limitless possibilities, so to speak. They have opened the door for us to a brighter horizon and broader service options, and of course, better customer experiences.
With a strong synergy venture between the three companies and Creador, expect more products to be launched and more customers to be served.
I'd like to congratulate all our employees. Because of you, talagang kaya tayo tumating sa ating kinalalagyan ngayon. Alam ko yung sakripisyo nyo, yung hirap nyo, yung malasakit nyo sa company. Buong puso ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo po.
I just want to thank our officers and employees for all your support all these years. You know, we could not have reached where we are now without you. You know? Asialink is there because of its high-quality officers and employees.
Well, we're just starting. This is the exciting part right now. We have a lot of things to do. Targets are high, but I know everyone in the team is really helping and working so hard to achieve the target.
The team has known about the new investors, our new supporters, I would like to call them, in doing our business. So that would mean, yes, more work, but more really opportunities to practice and live the purpose that we said we would have.
So for my fellow employees at SAFC, let us continue to stand by our core beliefs, embrace change, and strive for continuous progress with our dedication, teamwork, and innovation.
South Asialink Finance Corporation. Global Dominion Financing Incorporated. And Asialink Finance Corporation will always be true to its commitment in providing financial assistance to the country's MSMEs. Will always be reliable and trusted company that will uplift the lives of Filipinos. And will always be contributing to the growth of our nation.